Hey guys, this is Page from Beebom.com and today I'm here to talk about the new iPhones, the iPhone 12. So the next iPhone launch is still a couple of months away with the whole delay due to COVID-19. But you know what? I actually have the brand new iPhone 12. Yeah, I know this is fake, but last year too we received a fake iPhone 11 and it turned out to be very close to the real thing. And these fake iPhone 12s are actually close to what the rumored iPhone 12 is supposed to look like. So you know what, this video is going to tell you all about the upcoming iPhones and what to expect from them. Well, let me start by telling you that according to fairly reliable rumors, we're getting 4 new iPhones this year. An iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Max, an iPhone 12 Pro and an iPhone 12 Pro Max. Now, if you're wondering, shouldn't the new iPhones be called iPhone 11s? See, according to reports, this year we'll see a major design revamp in the iPhones and thus the iPhone 12 moniker, not the iPhone 11s. Now, I have 3 pairs of these mock-up iPhones, with this probably being the iPhone 12 Max, since the iPhone 12 is rumored to be smaller and more compact. Then this should be the iPhone 12 Pro because the Pro version is always compact. And then this should be the iPhone 12 Pro Max because obviously Max. Now, as you can see, I have these fake iPhones in black as well as white, but the finish is what really interests me. I mean, one thing you can probably notice in the probable iPhone 12 Pro and the iPhone 12 Pro Max is that both have the matte finish, be it on the black variant or the white variant. And well, the matte finish, especially on the black one, looks and feels really cool. I hope the actual iPhone 12 Pro comes in matte black too, although leaks suggest that the new iPhone 12 Pro and Pro Max will come in a new navy blue color, which in these images looks really cool. As for the iPhone 12, its mock-up has the glossy finish, which I think will actually be the case with the 12 and the 12 Max. Having said that, all of them, be it the iPhone 12 Max, iPhone 12 Pro or Pro Max, they all have the metal rim design on the frame, something that we recently saw in the latest iPad. Well, this has been rumored to come with the new iPhones, and yeah, this is very similar to the iPhone 4, 4S, 5, 5S, etc., which had the same squared edges design. And you know what, I've always been a huge fan of that design, so if this is true, I'm glad Apple is going back to that design. Anyway, you can also see that all 3 of them have triple cameras, very similar to what we saw on the iPhone 11 Pro last year. Now, the iPhone 12 Pro and the Pro Max should come with triple cameras, but the iPhone 12 and 12 Max are set to have dual cameras, same as the iPhone 11. So yeah, these mockups aren't right on that front. As for the front, I can't make up if the notch is smaller in these mockups or not, which is rumored. And apart from that, we did not get a charger with these fake iPhone 12s. And you know what? We might actually not get one with the new iPhones. Yep, there are a lot of rumors suggesting that the new iPhones won't come with a charging brick as well as earpods, the headphones Apple bundles in the box. And I know it sounds crazy, but with Apple, you never know. I mean, I really hope this rumor remains a rumor because if this happens, Android manufacturers will start following this trend and we Android users will actually suffer. So yeah, I hope this rumor does not come true. Anyway, that apart, what about the specs of the new iPhones? So for the first time ever, all the new iPhones are set to be coming with OLED panels. A 5.4-inch OLED on the iPhone 12, 6.1-inch OLED on the 12 Max, 5.8-inch OLED on the iPhone 12 Pro, and a 6.7-inch OLED display on the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Not only that, all of the new iPhones are also set to be coming with ProMotion 120Hz displays, and yeah, that would be awesome, right? I mean, iPhones feel so fluid already. 120Hz would definitely be something. Plus the Face ID module, including the different sensors, the cameras, basically the whole shebang will be put in a smaller notch, while also bringing faster face identification and other enhancements. So yeah, fingers crossed. When it comes to chipset, the new iPhone should be powered by the A14 Bionic, which is said to be the first 5nm smartphone chipset, so it should be more power efficient and obviously very powerful. Plus, it will be paired with Qualcomm's X55 modem for 5G support, so that's great for anyone who wants a future-proof iPhone. As for the memory, 4GB on the regular iPhone 12s and 6GB on the Pro variants, with base variants featuring 128GB storage. On the camera front, there are rumors that Apple will go with a 64-megapixel main camera on all of these new iPhones, so let's see. Now, along with the usual cameras, the Pro and the Pro Max variants will also come with LiDAR sensors for better AR capabilities. Again, this is something we have seen in the iPad Pro 2020 refresh. So that's pretty much everything to expect from the new iPhones. And now coming to the pricing, well, the new iPhones always have heartbreaking, bank-breaking prices. And well, the new iPhones coming this year are also set to come with a big price bump. due to multiple reasons like 5G, manufacturing issues with OLED, and obviously the pandemic. So things are going to get more pricey. Having said that, there is a possibility that the iPhone 12, which will probably be the cheapest new iPhone of the lot, will be made in India. So with the big price bump, I'm not expecting it to be very affordable. Instead, I'm expecting it to be around the same price as the iPhone 11. Now, the pricing aside, all of these fake iPhone 12s with their design changes, all the rumored specs and features point to one thing. It's that the iPhone 12, all four of them, will be a major refresh. See, if you ask me, I'm excited about the new iPhones because let's face it, we don't get a lot of flagships these days, especially in India. Yep, there's Samsung and OnePlus, but if you think about it, that's pretty much it. So yeah, I'm waiting for the new iPhone 12, which is probably coming in October. Anyway, what do you guys think? Are you excited for the iPhone 12? Do you like the metal rim design that the new iPhones are supposed to be coming with? Tell us in the comment section below. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, that's me signing off. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.